Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is pretty special and it's pretty short. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for 400 subscribers, and it does really mean a lot to me. And I could have never done this without all your support. I really do want to reach 500 subscribers in the next week or two, and I can only do it with all your support. So if you're a big fan of me, make sure to subscribe to my channel below ASAP, and tell your friends to subscribe as well. This is the only way to reach 500, and according to my calculator, we have to get 5 subscribers per day to reach our 500 subscriber goal in the next 14 days. Can we do it? Then I need all your support and your friends' support. And other than that, here's a preview of the games or YouTube videos I'll be making soon. I'm planning to make a fake Mario Maker 3 trailer, as well as start a project review series in the next few days. So if you want me to review one of your projects, then comment the link below. I'm also going to be reviewing some projects on trending in this series as well. And also, if you have recently subscribed, make sure to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I really want to give a special shout out to one of my biggest fans, Miguel Goldman Walga, for supporting me all through my YouTube career or journey. Please continue supporting me, and I guess I'll see you all soon. Bye.